Hello, my garden gems and gents. How are you doing today? I'm in my car and I'm going to Home Depot in search of some discounted flowers. Last year was really great. I had a lot of great bargains, but this year I'm not finding too much. So I'm going to give it another try. I'm going to try to find maybe some $5. I'm going to try to find maybe some $5 plants, maybe even $2. Hey, never know. Some of them even have $1. So what I'm looking for is mostly perennials. I do like annuals, but I am the type of person that I want my money's worth. So I want perennials that will come back. So stick around. Okay guys, we made it to Home Depot just before it closed. This is the outside of the garden. You can see right over my shoulder, 50% roses. This closes in about 10 minutes, so I'm going to do my best to show you what they have inside. Wow, got a lot of stuff. Okay, so we got the knockout roses for 50% off, and they are $24.98. So we're looking at about $13. I'm not sure if any of you guys have knockout roses. They're okay. But, you know, I think it can be a little bit better than 50%. Oh, these are really nice. This grass is really pretty. Take a look at this grass. Blue, Fessy, Elijah Blue. It's not on sale. It's not on sale. It's $11.98. It's really pretty, but I'm not sure if I would pay $11 for some grass. But this is a tag. Moving on, we got some butterfly bushes for $14.98. They're pretty decent size. Let's check out the tag. First Edition's Butterfly Bush Psychedelic Sky. Really nice. It's full sun. Gets 28 to 36 inches tall, so it's not too bad. It's on clearance for $14.98. Nah. Let's go and see some more. Okay. Got some azaleas. $6.88 each. Take a look. The Azalea Gerard Crimson's variety. $6, $7 is not bad, but you know, I'm in search for some big bargains. You know, I want to see the $5 and under. Look at this one. This is a really nice variety of azalea. Has the variegated leaves. It's very nice, very striking. So maybe I would consider this one because it just gives it that pop that I like. And we got the blue variety right here. Elise Lee. And this one's a purple one, which is really pretty. Moving on, we got some blanket flower Arizona red shades. This one is not on sale, but it is pretty. We have it for $18.98. Come on, Home Depot, you gotta do a little better than that. And we got some lavender for $18.98. Okay, I don't know if anybody would buy that now, but I wouldn't. I would wait till it's at least half price. We got some lily turfs, which are really nice. Last year I got my lily turf for about $4, and it was just like this. It was at the end of the season. These are $9.98, almost $10. So I'll give that a pass. But it's really nice. They're looking really good. Got a lot of shrubs. Unfortunately, none of them are on sale. Juniper Clummusa Aurea. Here Yeah, 20 bucks almost. Too expensive for my taste. Okay. Also got some salvias. Again, some lavender. And these are really looking pretty. These sedums. All in full bloom. Very nice. And these sedums are $18.98. And we got lots of trees, some more evergreens, 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 evergreens. Pinky Winkies. If you haven't gotten a Pinky Winky, you are missing out. They are beautiful flowers. They have this, they really do look like the picture. These Pinky Winkies look like they need a little bit of watering and TLC, but if you bring them home, I'm sure they will just keep giving back. But for $34.98, nah, I'll skip that, baby. So again, friends, my garden tour of Home Depot is coming to an end. You know, they did take really nice care of the selection they have, but really no bargains. $2.98 mums, variety of colors, yellow, red, pink, orange. Okay, from the time I went off camera, I found this. It's not on discount, but I've been looking for it for a year. It's my Bobo Hydrangea. I finally got my Bobo Hydrangea. I've gotten all the other varieties, the limelights, little limes, quick fire, all the pinnacles mostly. But I did not get the Bobo, which is the smallest of the paniculadas. So now I am bringing this little baby home. It's $26.98, but again, this is the last one to my collection of hydrangeas, and I finally found it here at the Home Depot. I just wish it was on discount, but it's looking really nice, so it's coming home with me. Little okay, and we have a little feathered friend that scared the crap out of me. Hello. I guess he's watching from above. But I'm really happy, excited to have my beautiful hydrangea, the last of my collection. So guys, thank you so much for joining me here on my channel. I will be checking in about maybe in a month, and I'm hoping that maybe Home Depot has a little better discounts. They really didn't have anything out there in their outdoor section, nor did they have anything here discount wise in their indoor section. But again, I found this baby. I love him already. He's coming home with me. So again, thank you so much for joining me on my channel, The Determined Gardener. If you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. See you later, guys. Have a great evening. Bye-bye.